Hello folks, you're looking at a hole we dug. This is a new gas line we're installing. And the gas company had come out and turned their gas off. They had narrowed the gas leak between the meter in the yard, and then it's several feet, and probably I think it was 75 feet under the ground, under the driveway, back to where it goes into the house and into the basement. So we obviously had to cut the pipe out, and now we're going to put poly. We put poly through there. 1 inch goes right into that old 1 1/4 inch black iron, and then we'll use these sleeves here to get at the plumbing store. And so this is what plumbers do. And then when we're done, we'll pressure test it to about between 11 and 13 inches of water column. So this is just a quick, synopsis of what you got to do. Cut pipes, and have some wrenches and some poly, and gotta know what you're doing a little bit so you don't get hurt. But yeah, need some help, call Dave's handyman, Dave's HVAC guy. We do plumbing, heating, and air, and we can help you out in the Lima, Bluffton, Columbus Grove area. We go all over. All right.